Buying Minecraft on MacBook Air. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Minecraft on MacBook Air. Go to Google and search for Minecraft. In the results section, you will see a link that says www.minecraft.net. Click on this link and you will be redirected to their homepage. I am doing it on my Windows. You have to do it on your MacBook. From their homepage, in the upper part, tap on the options that says Shop. Now you will be able to buy any edition you want to or any game. For example, by tapping on Minecraft, you will be able to see all of its editions. Now you just have to pick the one you want to and then proceed for checkout. For checkout, you have to select the plan you want to. There are different plans. The one that says $39.99, that is the best value plan, and then we have $29.9. You just have to select your choice and then check out. Now you have an option, you can purchase it as a gift or you have a redeem copy. You can also buy it on other platforms like Xbox, Amazon Fire and PlayStation. Now your Apple device. Now this is how you can buy Minecraft on MacBook Air. That's all.